Splicetronics, featuring the SMT cutting tool. Clean cuts, every time. First step, set up. Prepare your reels, tapes, and tool. Adjust the shift pitch as needed. Next, place your new carrier tape on the guide pins. Drop the silver plate and peel back the cover tape. Firmly press the cutting lever. Remove the carrier tape and get your splice ready. This splice tape we are using here has its own alignment jig pins. Remove the backing paper and place the carrier tape face down on the alignment pins. It's time to prepare your running reel. There is no need to pull back the cover tape on this side of the splice. Again, place the carrier tape on the cutting jig and firmly press the lever. Line up both sides of the cut tapes using the alignment pins. This next step is very important. Remove the jig pins piece, then rub firmly both sides of the splice tape before removing the clear plastic cover. Here is your completed splice. Remember, an accurate, clean cut is key to perfect alignment. The cover tape peels back seamlessly. The dual blade SMT cutting tool. 0 errors, maximum efficiency. Clean cuts, every time. For more information please visit us at splicetronics.com. Thank you.